Load paper in Tray 1 for the HP LaserJet Enterprise printer series. Tray 1 holds up to 100 sheets of paper. Open Tray 1. Pull out the tray extension to support the paper. Use the adjustment latch to slide the paper guides outward. For one-sided printing, load the stack face up, with the top of the page leading into the printer. When printing landscape pages, make sure the top is towards the right of the printer. For two-sided printing, load the stack face down with the top of the page leading into the printer. For printing pre-punched pages, load the stack face up with the holes toward the right side of the printer. Make sure that the paper fits under the fill line on the paper guides. Using the adjustment latch, adjust the side guides so that they rest against the edges of the paper.